Part two of creating shortcuts natively in macOS. I'm Steve. So in this example, I'm going to show you in Mail. I have this show sidebar button that I use quite often because I like a clean interface. And if you look in the menu, and any of these shortcuts that you see in the menu, you can set a custom shortcut to, and some already have them, as you can see. But the one I'm looking for is show sidebar. So I'm going to go into settings and keyboard shortcuts. And then in app shortcuts, I'm going to look for that specific app. So as you can see, I have the application set to mail.app. And you could also set it to all applications if it's something that applies to other applications as well, and then it'll work for both. But you can see that once I set it, it'll work to open that panel. But I also need to hide that panel as well. So what I can do is set it to the same shortcut and it'll also hide it as well. And that's all for now.